Hi guys, so this is a festival inspired makeup look. I know we're still home in isolation, but I think we can have a little bit of fun with festival, can't we? So I'm just going to show you guys how I got that beautiful glitter look. Starting off with primer, I'm using the Good Molecules primer and I'm setting that like I would if I was actually going out for festival, just so that it lasts a really long time. And I'm using a Morphe Jeffree Star setting mist to ensure that that stays in place, honey. You don't want it to move. And then just to give myself a little bit of illumination, a little glow, I'm going in with the Revolution Pro Illuminator. All the names and all the items I'm using in this video will be listed in the description box as always. But I'm blending that right into my skin before going in with my foundation. And then for foundation, I'm using the Colourpop foundation. And I'm really trying to give myself a full coverage with this. I haven't been color corrected for quite a long time, so I really rely on my foundations to do the work. And I'm blending that in with a thin Lizzy blending sponge and just making sure that the coverage is there, and I drag it all the way down to my neck. Now to give myself a little contour, I'm using the Huda Beauty cream contour. I love this stuff. I use it in a lot of my videos, and just because it gives you just that right amount of coverage without being overpowering. And then I'm using my new favorite concealer, and this is from Thin Lizzy. I'm applying it with a concealer brush. I really love this concealer because it is very full coverage. It is a little bit loose, so just give it a couple of minutes to set on your face before you actually blend it out, just to get the full coverage. Like, this bad boy can give some coverage, as you can clearly see, and it leaves a glow, which I absolutely love. Like, my under eye doesn't feel dry at all. And I'm going to set that with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic powder in Gobi. Love this stuff. Again, don't know why people don't hype it, but I absolutely love it. And I'm using it to set all the areas that I applied my concealer. And I'm going to leave a little bit of powder on underneath my eye, just to catch any fallout from the eyeshadows we're going to be using. And so I'm starting off with my base, and I'm using this blue base from Plouise. I'm applying that all over, and I really wanted to blend it in because I didn't want it to be too overpowering. So I took my time to blend it with a little booty sponge. And then we're using the Morphe X James Charles palette today. Starting out with that green shade, I'm going to pack that in my outer corner. There's a lot of packing and blending in this look, so I wanted to show you guys the full eye look, just in case if you're not really into glitter, you can still rock the look. The next shade is this gorgeous blue shade, and I'm blending that closely to the green shade, just so that there's a smooth transition between both shades. And I am taking my time to pack and blend this color. And then I'm going in with this icy blue color, and I'm applying it on my lid, but not taking it all the way in, because I'm going to be applying another shade in my inner corner. And then to gently blend out that green and the blue, I'm going to use this like bright green shade, like a neon green shade. And I'm going to blend that all around the outer V, and I'm going to bring that all the way down my lower lash line and give it like that blown out look. And this is going to take you some time to pack and blend, because I really wanted it to be soft. I didn't want it to be harsh, so take your time to actually blend this. And then to further blend that green, I'm using this yellow shade to kind of like give it a nice transition between the green and the blue. Once that's done, I'm going to be going in with my inner corner shade. And the inner corner shade is like a greenish, it's like a foresty green shade, just nice and shimmery, very, very pretty. It looks really, really nice with the glitter that we're going to be using. I know I applied glitter, but trust me, eyeshadow looks, they come out underneath glitter. So you want to ensure that your base, even for the glitter, is fully on point. And to deepen that outer V, I'm going in with this bluish purple shade, just to further deepen that outer crease. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive, and I'm going to be using this Eco Stardust glitters. Starting off with this green glitter, I'm going to apply the adhesive and then gently pack the glitter on the lid. Starting off with the inner corner, packing that green, and then I'm going to move on to a blue shade. I really love these glitters as well. I'm one of those people that easily get irritated by glitters, and these ones work perfectly well for me. Definitely check them out if you are into glitters. I also love the packaging, very, very easy to store, and they don't make a mess. Right, and I'm taking the glitter same as I did on my lid on the lower lash line as well. And then dusting everything away and moving on to the rest of my face. And I'm going to be applying the Wonder 2, I believe it's Royal Blue eye pencil in my waterline. And then for my face, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to just blend out my powder, give me a really nice finish. Bringing that down all the way down to the base of my neck, ensuring that everything's blended, no harsh lines, and it gives a seamless flow. And then I'm going into the Morphe Contour and Highlight Palette in 8H, and I'm using this shade to give me more like a subtle blush contour, because this color is quite red, but I really love the effect it gives, because I'm going to be applying some highlighters and some glitter on top of that, so I really wanted it to be nice and flushed. For my brows, I just went for like the really rough feathered brows. Like, ain't nobody got time to be carving out brows. So it is what it is. And I'm using the Juvia's Place blush to really blush up my skin, give it a more exaggerated look. It's festival, it's carnival, you know, it's fun. It's meant to be out there, so don't be shy. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Ofra X Month of March collection, and I am blending this highlighter on my cheek, guys. Like, literally, Ofra to me make the best highlighters, honestly. It's the smooth blend, the easy application, the glow, the intensity is just off the chain. And to further give it that like bright carnival, see me from outer space moment, I'm going to be applying this glitter from Eco Stardust as well, just on the highlight, just to give it a further oomph, further glow. You know, we're having fun. It's all going to get washed off anyway, so why not have fun? And that is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. And my lashes are Amethyst lashes from Lapaigetrends. I actually did do a couple of individual bottom lashes, but I doubt you can actually see it. But it was my first time doing it, and didn't want to record it. And my gloss is from Pixie Beauty. I'm using a Revolution Beauty glass skin spray, and this is the final look. Whack your earrings on, change your clothes, and you are good to go. I really had fun with this look, guys. Like, literally, it was just fun. It was bright. It was colorful. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you are staying safe. Remember that God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today. Definitely check on someone, and I will catch you guys in a future video. Remember to subscribe and thumbs up if you haven't. Thanks, guys.